how to customize the apps in your iPhone share sheet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize app on your iPhone share sheet. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we need to go ahead and find a shareable content. In order to do that, you can go to your photos, and as you can see, there is a share option. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that. Now here you can see the different apps where you can share the pictures. If you want to customize it, you need to scroll right until the end of it, and here you can see the more option. You need to simply go ahead and tap more. Now you can see the two section over here that says favorites and suggestions. In order to arrange it, you need to simply go ahead and tap on edit option located in the top right corner. If you want to add the apps from here, you can simply go ahead and tap on the green plus icon located in the side of it, and as you can see that the apps are now added over here. Now you can see the hamburger like icon right next to the apps. You can go ahead and click on it to arrange the sequences, and that's it. You now know how to customize app on your iPhone share sheet. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.